Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, Celsius updated their terms of use. Now, a lot of you probably saw the news. Celsius has been battling the SEC on interest in crypto accounts, and this is the update that we've been dreading for a while. Now, I'm going to go through a little bit of this. You can see this is just some of the introduction, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And they say carefully review these terms before proceeding or using. Usually we just blow through this, just click accept, and we're good to go. But there are a couple critical things in here I wanted to bring your attention to because the SEC is trying to look out for the little guy. Are they? Okay, if you reside in the US, you will have two accounts. You'll have a custody account and an account that accrues interest with already stuff in it. All right. So you said digital assets in a custody wallet will not earn rewards. Thank you, SEC, for jacking the little guy. I mean, protecting the little guy and not allowing us to accrue interest on our own money. How ridiculous. All right. Okay, yeah, crypto is risky. We all know this. People who are doing crypto know crypto is risky. And non-accredited investors can no longer earn interest at Celsius, but we can at Voyager, we can at crypto.com, we can at other places. So this is just hurting Celsius. I know, unless I go through the steps to be an accredited investor here, which I don't know if I want to go through all that rigmarole to get a creditor status. I don't even know how to do that. I have to investigate. But not right now because there's other options out there, okay? For example, Voyager is still paying interest on new and old crypto alike. And I like that platform too. Just saying, all right? So if you're an accredited investor, you can still earn interest. What those rates are, I have not a clue, other than Ethereum and Bitcoin, which I can show you, which are still in my account here at Celsius. But if you reside outside the United States, you're perfectly fine. You can transfer crypto in and out wherever you want, and you still get interest at Celsius. So, thank you, America. You're jacking the little guy. That's great. Thank you very much. All right. Anyway, let me get off the soapbox. This is just a tyrannical oversight trying to control a currency they can't actually control. I'm not going to get into that right now. Just go through these rest of this here. Needless to say, I'll be switching over to Voyager for any new deposits. So you guys have to tune into my Voyager videos. If you guys still want to stay with Celsius, if you want to go through their accreditation process, let me know how that goes. And maybe I'll have to do that one day. But right now, there's still other options out there that I can go to that I don't need to be an accredited investor and that they pay just as good, if not better, interest rates. Maybe not better, but just as good. So, anyway, I'm just going to agree to this, even though I don't agree to it. Whatever. It's total BS. So, right now, you can see we're going to have two accounts, the earn account and the custody account. The earn account will accrue interest. The custody account will not. Now, accredited investors can switch assets between the two. I can't, because I haven't gone through that process. So the custody account, no interest, like I said. And the earn account, which I still have crypto in for now until they say I can't. I'm just going to leave it there. We'll get to that shortly. But it's still earning interest. And I'm going to keep it that way as long as I can. Here at Celsius and every other crypto thing that I have. We'll see how long it lasts, guys. I hope it keeps going. So, right here, I'm a little upset, you can see. Alright, I have some Ethereum, alright, I transferred over some Robinhood, I have some cash I put in. Yep, so I'm accruing interest there, and I have some Bitcoin here. Not much, just a little, okay? I know, and I had some USDC, but I dumped it over into Ethereum when it was low, just so I could get the interest. Now, I'm still accruing interest, you can see, and hopefully that's going to continue, and it's a pretty good rate, 5.35%. That's respectable, I guess, right? And with the inflation, not keeping up with inflation. But what are you going to do, right? Oh boy, here we go. Now, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also paying close to 5%, all right? USDC, 7%, 7.1. I don't have any left. That's fine. Okay, now all of that said, here it is. You can still get onto Celsius. You can still have them hold your tokens in custody. And you can still earn interest if you're an accredited investor. So it's still a good move. If you guys want to join, download this link and Celsius and put this referral code in, and you get a free $50 when you put 400 bucks in. Still a good deal. Can't beat it. All right, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.